back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the easiest way to make your own non-medical mask at home. There are a couple ways to make your own mask. There are ways where you can just do the one I'm going to show you, where you can actually crochet or knit your own mask, and some people do that and it looks really good if you have the time, which we all do have the time because we're in quarantine. But there are also ways to sew and like to decorate more. Yeah, there are channels that actually do them. I'll link them down below so you can go see, but they kind of take up more time, and if you want to actually work on it or make it look pretty and colorful and whatever, you can buy fabrics and you can do that. And you kind of need a sewing machine. I have a sewing machine, but a lot of people might not have a sewing machine and might not know how to use it, or I mean, you can learn, but this is the easiest way to make your own mask at home. Why I'm making this video? Because finding masks are so hard right now, including gloves, including cleaning items, including toilet paper. They're all like gold right now. So even some of my friends don't even have masks still to this day. And they're gonna go to the grocery store to find masks, and they can't find masks, and they're going there without a mask. So I want to show them and all of you guys how to make your own mask at home so you stay safe and protected when you're going outside. But if you can stay home and stay safe. And also, if you're older than the age of 2 and if you don't have a breathing problem from before or a diagnosed breathing problem from before, then we all have to wear masks when we're going outside just to protect ourselves and to protect others from spreading the virus, and maybe we don't even know if we have the virus. So this is very important, especially as young people. We have to really make sure we're wearing our masks. Now, to make this mask, all you need are 2 thin hair scrunchies, like this. I mean, if you have this size, it's better, but... Okay, so normally you can use a bandana, you know, those square bandanas that mostly like are associated with like hippies. I had them, but I have no idea where they are, no clue. I looked everywhere. So I got a better idea. You can use any kind of fabric that's just big and square. You don't need a bandana because everyone might not have bandanas, but here in Turkey, all of us have veils, or what do you call them? They're also called hijabs. So they're just square fabrics. So there's something like this. This is a more thin one. It's kind of like a thing you put around your neck. And then I have a thicker one. If you have this, I was practicing on. You have a thicker one, and if it's like, you could also iron it. This really needs ironing. And then I have another one, which is all pretty and has sewing on the sides. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin. Okay guys, so let's get started. Take out your bandanas or your veils or your square t-shirts or whatever, your square fabrics. And which one should I do it with? Because it's the same for all of them. These are thicker. I'll do it with the thinner one because it'll probably be easier to, because it's so big, it'll probably be easier to fold. But if you have a smaller sheet of fabric, that's better. Course. Okay, so just lay your fabric down on the table like this. Okay, well, let's use the other side because we want that side to be on the outside. It's pretty fashionable. Now, with a bandana, they only fold half and half once. But because this is a veil and because it's a big sheet of fabric, we're gonna fold it a couple more times. So I'll show you when I'm doing it. So now, fold in half. Okay. And they actually say it's better if it's tight and it's cotton. So we're gonna try to make it tight, but it's big. If it's smaller, it'll be tighter. And this isn't cotton, but these are. So this is silk. Okay, so, and then fold this in half. Okay, maybe you could even layer it because it's big. And then you fold it again in one half. And then you fold the other half again. So it's like a half and a half and a half. You could probably do it one more time, like this. Let's make it even tinier. Okay, those were harder because they're thicker and they're larger because I was practicing, so. Okay, now you're gonna take one of your scrunchies and you're going to put the fabric through and bring it all the way to where your mouth will probably be. Like that. And then do the same thing to the other side. Okay, like that. And then now these sides are really long because our fabric is large, but in a bandana they're more like here, and it's easier to put it in and tuck it and make it smaller, but we're gonna try to do it with this one. So you're just gonna fold. You could even put in the sides when you're folding, but try to fold flat because it's going to go where your mouth is. So okay, so I'm up to scrunchie, and then you tuck it in to the pockets that we made by folding. You could just pull the scrunchie through, okay? And then do the same thing to the other side. And then put that through the pocket as well. And pull that too. Now we have a mask. It's kind of big because our fabric is big, but if you have a smaller fabric, it's even easier. So you just put it. Voila! Ta-da! Wow, it's really good. Can you hear me? Okay guys, so we came to the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this video, please press the bell. And I'd love to hear from you. Please comment down below and tell me if you actually tried this mask at home, try to do it. Did you wear it outside? Did you bedazzle it did you do it with friends and family? I'd love to hear from you. Love if you could put pictures down so I'll see. And please subscribe to my channel for more. And please stay safe. If you can, stay home. And if you can't, please wear a mask these days. But in the long run, please stay safe and stay home. Love you guys. Bye. And guys, think about it. These are free. You're making it at your house. You don't have to go buy some. Guys, so before I end the video, I want to show you my mask that I use. And it's fabric, like the one that we're making. So you could keep washing it and drying it. You don't have to throw it out. And I got it for like $2.50 here. Bye.